people, small louder.
Okay, it's so nice to be back to work, and of course, ngayon lang ako lumabas, and for you guys to support women, you know. Okay, so hello guys, you know, Small Louder here, and I'm honored to be with SM and BDO at the Women Inspiring Women Summit. So guys, I'm a vlogger, as you know, but I've always been a housewife. Pero guys, you know, I will talk about some tips for my BDO banking, and you know, before, hindi ako nagbabank kasi I'm not techie, so I always rely on my husband, Philip. But syempre, now, okay, fast forward. Okay, BDO got me as an endorser. Syempre, I'm proud ko to be with BDO. And sabi ko, ano yan? How will I endorse? I don't even do banking. And kaya ko ba i-vlog? So, okay, but after working with BDO, na-realize ko na BDO find ways to make banking convenient and easy. So, and BDO gives me peace of mind with my banking transactions. So, I hope you listen to my kwentos about BDO because kinaya kong magbangko, kaya nyo rin. Siyempre, ako lang ang hindi techie, no? So guys, I'm a busy on-the-go person. Excuse for not going to the bank transaction, so I always ask Philip to do it for me. Lagi akong may pupuntahan, I'll go with the kids and attend events, ganyan, and dinner with the family. So, but as a tita, I bring cash with me pa rin. Buti na lang, BDO makes it convenient for the withdrawal cash kasi anywhere I go, there is BDO ATM. Kahit sa remote areas, they have, and you can withdraw kahit you forgot your card, and I forget na, of course, BDO find ways kahit nasa remote area ka. So, paano with BDO ATM biometrics withdrawal, I withdraw using my face or fingerprints ko. O, diba yan ang ganda ng puhunan? Yeah. So, okay, another way is QR. QR withdrawal. I can just ask Philip to send me the QR code from his BDO online app and I'll show it sa ATM. Then I can withdraw cash. Even even si Lot nakaka-withdraw uses biometric and QR ATM withdrawal. So it's so easy, guys. Try it na. Magbukas na kayo ng mag-app na kayo. And I have peace of mind because BDO find ways to secure my banking transactions. And I can stay very demure, very cutesy, kasi I'm never stressed with my money safety. So, if you want to be passenger princess like me when it comes to your banking and finances, open a BDO account na. And next kwento naman, guys. Ang bilis, no? Kasi ang bilis ng teleprompter ka. So, okay guys, medyo nawawala yung emotions ng kwento. But you know guys, I love traveling and shopping as you know. And of course, my BFF is my BDO credit card. But remember, shop responsibly. My BDO card is convenient because I can shop everywhere, anywhere, whenever I'm in the US, Europe, or anywhere in the world. I can rely on my BDO credit card. And my BDO credit card lets me enjoy exclusive perks and promos. Year-round, I'm always on the lookout sa mga BDO deals. And kayo rin dapat mag-check kayo ng BDO deals. Sobrang worth it. And my personal favorites are the hotel restaurant discounts, airport lounge access, overseas mga rebate, yung spending yung may rebate, plus installment. Imagine, ngayon ko lang nalaman, may installment pala, deferred payment, even if you use it abroad, no? Even if you use your card, may deferred payment then. And all these benefits are in my BDO credit card.